Welcome to this tutorial showing you how to make the most of the AI assistant now found within Articulate 360. First up, we're going to generate a course outline using Articulate 360's AI assistant. For this demo, I'll be transforming a phishing policy into an interactive training module. We will be using Rise 360 and showcase the powerful AI features. Right away, the system asks for some key details. What's the course about? I'll input phishing awareness in the workplace. Who is this training for? Let's say it's for managers. Learning objectives? Simple. Learners should be able to identify and report phishing attacks. Now I'll upload my company's phishing policy. The AI assistant will use it to generate both the course outline and content. Within seconds, we have an outline. Lesson 1 covers what is phishing, Lesson 2 dives into types of attacks, and so on. What's great is that you can customize this outline, add, remove, or rearrange lessons. But for this demo, I'm happy with the structure, so let's move forward and start building the content. Now let's create Lesson 1, what is phishing? The AI assistant pulls key details from the uploaded policy. I choose the content format: paragraph, list, accordion, or interactive elements. For now, I'll start with a short paragraph. The AI instantly generates a concise definition, but maybe I want more detail. With a simple prompt, it expands the text while still aligning with the company's policy. To keep things engaging, let's add an image. First, I'll type in my prompt or image description. Then I'll choose the style of image I would like. For this, I'll choose cinematic and place it right at the top of the lesson. Now we've got text and visuals working together. Next, let's cover types of phishing attacks. But instead of plain text, I'll use flashcards to make it interactive. The AI generates different types of phishing scams. I select the flashcards, and learners can now click through the information rather than just reading long policy documents. This approach transforms dry policies into engaging, interactive training, making learning more effective and enjoyable. And just like that, our e-learning course is coming together. With Articulate 360's AI tools, you can generate content in seconds, customize it for accuracy, add visuals and interactive elements, speed up your workflow while keeping full creative control. If you're looking to rapidly convert company policies into compelling training, this is the way to do it. Thanks for watching. As the official Articulate partner and training provider in Africa, New Leaf Technologies is here to help. Contact us to get started.